Okay, hello Stock Exchange. I've got a wall wart here, Radio Shack 7.5 volt, 2 amp. You can see my switch is all the way over to the 7.5 volt setting. This is a regulated adapter made in China. Okay, so the cord for it, you can see we've got it goes up here, and what I've got is that it has a wire coming in on the negative side and a wire coming in on the positive side of the little end where you normally attach the little plug. And what happens is that the negative wire goes into this couple of resistors here. So I've got two 10 ohm resistors in a parallel set so that they make a 5 ohm resistor. Boom, comes through, comes out over here. So now the negative wire goes up and it connects into the sleeve pin of this guy, which is the right hand side one. And then the left hand side one connects to the positive wire, which comes, this red one, which comes down, and I have it just run along here, back in. Now, handy multimeter. Okay. So, if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so if I test at the wires here, 7.85 volts. So then now, of course, resistance means that it limits current. So we should expect the voltage to not be affected. And indeed, it's not. Of course, because the difference in potential between the positive and negative sides is the same. Even if you put a resistor in between them, it's not going to affect the difference in potential, of course, unless I'm missing something. So if somebody thinks that the definition of resistance is wrong, then let me know. And so then, or maybe it's just that the voltage the regulated adapter is somehow compensating for the resistor being put there. I don't know. So somebody can, you PhD guys could figure that one out and let me know. So then, basically, if I check my current here, four amps. It's a little higher than the 2 amps that it said, but okay. And then if I check at the after the resistor, of course, Ohm's law tells us that if our voltage is 7.5, we should be right around, with 10 ohms of resistors, and or 5 ohms, I'm sorry, we should be right around 1.5 amps at the end of the day. And what do you know? We are. So, Ohm's law is still true, as you can see. And so then if I were to put my lead here, hold that. There we go. So you can see my amps there. A little bit less, obviously there's some resistance in all this wiring, and the alligator clip is a piece of crap, so it adds a little resistance. It drops the amps a little bit. But what we do not have happen is that we do not have a drop in voltage at the tip here. Or if we do, it's looking like it's very, very infinitesimal. I mean, we're right at the same voltage we were at, pretty much 7.84. If I come down at the wire before the resistor, $7.84. So, I hope that clears it up, and I do like my kneecaps. Thank you.